Hi everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin here, and today I have a new rolling stock that's brand new to the layout. This is actually a rolling stock I got for my birthday, which is from a family member that sent me this. So I'm actually really glad with this, and it's a really cool surprise because I was never expecting to get this one. But even though I don't really model the Chessie system, I thought it was really good to get this car. So basically what this is a Chessie system. So it's a 100-ton Bethlehem steel 3-bay hopper. So it's in the Chessie system scheme with the Chesapeake and Ohio reporting marks. So it's pretty cool. So I thought I'd unbox this for you guys and see how it goes. So just slide it out like this, pretty simple. Also, before I shooting this video, I actually came with some parts that came with it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So let me get this car out real quick. Try this with one hand, folks. There we go. There it is. So basically what it came with some weights, and I got the weights pre-installed already. You just put the weights and then the plastic covers go underneath it, just so, because that way it's really important you apply some weight to the rolling stocks. That way they can prevent derailments around curves and such. So yeah, so here it is itself. Very stunning car. You can see it's got molded details. There's the brake wheel, ladders, easy mate couplers. Trucks are nicely done with metal wheels. Paint job is really nice and crisp. And there's the interior. Interior looks really cool. And the underframe, very nice. So look at this on the tracks. And wow, wheels very nice. Oh, there it is. Very stunning looking. Because I always thought about wanting to have a CSX hopper because it gave me the idea after when I railpan back in Park City in Kentucky back around the end of October, and so I saw some of the CSX coal hoppers. So I thought maybe I should have some of these too. Like I'll add them to some two unmixed rates, like maybe BNSF or Union Pacific trains, and yeah, I think it's very nice. The paint scheme is very nicely done. The detail is really good. So very nice, because I always really admire these modern 100-ton coal hoppers. So anyways, so yeah, so basically that's it. That's just basically a quick unboxing of the Bachmann 100-ton coal hopper and the Chessie system paint scheme. So anyways, this is a very nice car. Would recommend getting one of these. So anyways, that's gonna do for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.